Simplifying rational expressions, making math easier. Hello there, English learners and math enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of algebra to explore rational expressions. By the end of this video, you'll be able to simplify these expressions with ease. Let's get started. A rational expression is simply a fraction where the numerator and the denominator are polynomials. Imagine it as a fraction where, instead of numbers, we have algebraic expressions. For instance, x2 minus 4x plus 2, frac x caret 2 to 4, x plus 2, x plus 2 x2 minus 4. You might wonder, why bother simplifying? Simplifying a rational expression can make it easier to understand, use, and solve in equations. Plus, simplifying can help us identify expressions that appear different but are actually equivalent. 1. Factor both the numerator and the denominator. 2. Divide out the common factors from the numerator and denominator. 3. Rewrite the rational expression without the common factors. For example, x2 minus 4x plus 2, frac x caret 2 to 4, x plus 2, x plus 2 x2 minus 4 1. Factor 2. x2 minus 4x caret 2 to 4 x2 minus 4 factors 2. X plus 2, x minus 2, x plus 2, x2, x plus 2, x minus 2. 3. X plus 2 x plus 2 x plus 2 remains the same. 4. Divide out the common factors. 5. The common factor here is x plus 2x plus 2x plus 2. 6. Rewrite. 7. After removing the common factor, we're left with x minus 2 x2 x minus 2. So, our simplified expression is x minus 2 x2 x minus 2. Always look for the greatest common factor first. Be wary of expressions that can't be simplified. Remember that a rational expression and its simplified form are equivalent. They represent the same value. And there you have it. Simplifying rational expressions can be easy when you break it down step by step. With practice, you'll be able to do this in no time. We hope this video shed some light on the topic for you. Keep practicing, and happy learning!